Hey guys, as you can see, I am in a different setting, but still me. So today I wanted to bring you guys another unboxing. This time something I got from the Apple Store. Um, I had a $50 Apple gift card for my birthday, so I didn't know what to get, and I decided, you know, I don't really get accessories for my devices. Why not take this opportunity to grab one? So I did. And I got this. It's a Belkin 3-in-1 MagSafe charger. Whoops. And it does, yes, so the full name is the Belkin Boost Charge Pro 3-in-1 wireless charger with MagSafe. And it does 15-watt wireless charging for the phone. It retails at $139.95. Again, I had a $50 Apple gift card, so that definitely helped chip down the cost. Here's what it looks like in the box. You guys are seeing it before I do. Wow, you know, it looks pretty slick. I got it in the black color, by the way. There it is. Box is empty. Set that down gently. Alright, now of course, we've got to test it out. Now, it is pretty hefty. I believe right here is where the AirPods or the AirPods Pro would go. Apple Watch, and of course the iPhone MagSafe compatible. So it would have to be iPhone 12 series, 12 Pro series, 13 series, 13 Pro series. Alright. Let's see. Now we gotta do the peel. Not much of a sound. This one doesn't have anything. And oh no, this does have the big one. Am I supposed to just rip this? I guess so. Right. And there is a peel in the bottom. Right. Let's see. So we should have a cable in here as well, I believe. Oh, see, and it has a friendly little, I guess a tutorial card. Shows you how to set it up and such. Alrighty. And it is good to note that it does indicate that, oh, well. First of all, it shows that you can rotate your phone. So, you know, if you got this on your nightstand or something, you can rotate it, watch some videos while it's charging, fall asleep. The middle one shows when the AirPod is charging, so it's when it's flashing light, I guess. Yeah, if it's yellow, it's not charging. If it's blank, well, it's not charging. And then it's telling you not to put Apple Watch and keys or coins on the charging pad for the AirPods, which I think that's reasonable, because I think if you don't feel the need to charge your AirPods, you might be inclined to put your keys there or something, but they tell you not to do it. You might damage it or something, I don't know. And warranty and product information. Try to keep things as neat as possible here. Finally, we've got the AC adapter. A nice rubber band as well. Just making sure there's no extra goodies. Nothing. No magic tricks today. Sorry, guys. Alright, so here is the length of the cable. So it spreads about as wide as my wingspan, almost. I am 5'11" for reference, so it goes from hand to about, I don't know, I'd say this maybe 5 feet I can't think right now. 5 feet 8 inches, maybe. Shy of 6 feet. But anyways, like I said, we gotta test it out, right? So let's go for it. Hmm. Kind of dark here. Okay, there we go. All right, so we gotta slide it in like this, or well, like that. Push it in. Make sure it's there. We go. And just like that, tucked away clean. That's how it looks from the other side, the back side. There you guys go. Alrighty. Oh, and of course, might not be at the usual place, but I'm prepared. I brought everything I need to. As you can see, there is the, well, it showed the white indicator light to say that it was powered on. And now here's the test, because I have a not MagSafe compatible case on my 13 Pro Max. Let's see if it'll work. Not really. I think the 13 Pro Max is too heavy for the MagSafe to work if it has a case on. This isn't, I wouldn't say it's a particularly thick case either, so let's see if it'll work with the, and works like a charm. So let's go ahead and try the Apple Watch. Woo! Alrighty. And the Apple Watch works like a charm as well. You can see that it is charging. Last but not least, hold on, I still got some tricks up my sleeves, my pockets. Ah, yes, of course. I have a case on this too, so we're gonna see if this works. And it does. It is showing a light, so there is an LED. Okay, all right. It's gonna be a little tricky, but okay. We are gonna try to show you guys. See the indicator light there? See that this is charging, and indeed, the iPhone is, to check, double check for myself, charging as well. All in all, pretty neat all-in-one solution for charging all your Apple products in one. And as advertised, sorry guys, as I was saying, as advertised, this does do the swivel. So, $140, is it worth it? Well, I just got it, so in terms of the longevity of it, I would have to see how long it lasts. However, provided that it does stay functional for a good amount of time, for years to come, hopefully, I think this, first of all, it's definitely a convenience factor, and it's definitely for the looks, if this is the kind of looks that you like. Because there's a lot of solutions, wireless charging solutions, even for the whole Apple ecosystem on Amazon, that you could get for considerably less than $140. So, but let's say you got a gift card, you don't know what to spend it on. Sorry guys, people walking back and forth. But as I was saying, I think you got an Apple gift card, maybe something more than $50, of course. Then I think this is a good consideration. Now, Apple does surprisingly have a lot of accessories they have on sale, not just Apple products, but they even have the DJI OM5 gimbal. They have a lot of third-party accessories that they sell as well. So don't feel like you're just bound to Apple products if you have an Apple gift card. Definitely take a look at their Apple Store app, or even just their website, because they show a lot of products, a lot of third-party accessories as well. Honestly, I was just planning on pitching that $50 in towards an iPad mini, but then I just kind of had to, for, I guess, being a financially mature adult, I was like, all right, I gotta stop myself. And I decided to get this instead. So, I mean, this wasn't really necessary either, obviously. So, was it a financially mature choice? I don't know, but it's definitely more affordable than an iPad mini. And I thought, it was a gift card. I might as well spend a little extra and treat myself a little more. Instead of getting something like an AirTag or, just a regular MagSafe charger. I thought, why not go for something like this? And you gotta admit, it does look kind of nice, very sleek. The all-in-one Apple Watch, iPhone, and the AirPod charging is very nice. And it looks good too. So, again, $140. This is definitely, I would say, this is definitely a treat yourself kind of purchase. By no means necessary, by no means, uh, I guess, practical cost wise, because, like I said, you can find a lot of alternatives, albeit they might not look as nice or they might not have the same build quality, but you can find ones that get the job done on Amazon for less than $140 plus tax. But yeah, again, if you're maybe trying to think about something to treat yourself with, or maybe you have someone that has a birthday coming up, and someone special, you want to treat them something special, and they're into tech and they're in the Apple ecosystem. They have the Apple Watch, they have the iPhone, they have the AirPods, AirPods Pro. This might be a good gift, for the techie that has it all. Because, like I said, I myself actually I don't really spend. I don't really get a lot of accessories for my devices. So, and I'm sure there are many people that are like me that love getting that new iPhone or that new Samsung Galaxy. But, we just don't get the accessories, whether it be because, we upgrade too frequently to even consider accessories that might be phased out by the next generation of devices, or we just, you know, we spent the money on the device, so we can't buy any accessories. But either way, I think this is definitely a solid gift choice, either for yourself or for, that special someone, whether that's a close friend or family or, significant other. Anyways, that was the Belkin, and your read the box. Belkin Boost Charge Pro 3-in-1 wireless charger with MagSafe. So, yeah, looks clean, works. I mean, really, for a splurge purchase, what more can you ask for, right? Alright, that was pretty much it for the unboxing and quick look. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.